My name is Chris Stuyck. I'm a metal artist and I own Stuyck Company. Stuyck Company was established in 1998. We were helping out contractors at that time and also doing some unique art pieces as we could afford. And slowly through time, we started making enough money and headway and reputation that we could start focusing more and more on artwork. My company's been lucky in that we've networked, and a lot of people think highly of what I do. So we've been invited to make wonderful pieces that celebrate South Carolina. We have built the Hootie and the Blowfish Monument in 5 Points. We've built a wonderful gazebo for Hampton Preston Mansion. We have things at the zoo that we've made. We have a lot of stuff along the River Walk. We have lines of park furniture. We like to build stuff that's artistically pleasing, site-specific, and functional more than anything else. I think what attracted me most towards metal, steel for one, would be its permanence, its use in our society for just about everything we deal with from day to day. It makes our cars, it makes our lamp posts, it makes everything under the sun that we use. We even put our fruits and vegetables in cans made of steel. When you look at art and you look at metal in art, the people who do it, they want a certain permanence. They want a piece that lasts the ages, the eons, that's going to be there. They don't want a temporary piece. I've also found that metal is very predictable. Metal shapes stay the same. You can alter them. You can make interesting, wonderful pieces out of them. Metal artists know this, and they build their work to rust or to not rust, to have a presence about them, a permanence. You never see a dainty metal piece out in public, unless perhaps jewelry, if you want to go that way. But that's a whole different style of metal art. We work with other artists as well. It's vital as an artist to communicate with other artists because everybody has a viewpoint, everybody has an idea, and they're usually helpful in the creative process. People who collaborate in my art pieces, we just have fun with it. Try not to take too much credit for it. We just go at it. Great fun.
My name is Will Bryan. I'm the founder of Public Works of Heart. We believe that all communities should be beautiful, and we use public art to make that happen. My background is in graphic design, so I traditionally work in a 2D, two-dimensional medium in print or in digital. So it was wonderful working with Chris because his background obviously is in metal sculpture, and so he has a wealth of knowledge and was able to help teach me, help me think about things that might work in 2 dimensions but don't work in 3 dimensions, and be able to overcome some of those hurdles before they ever happened in the design process. The piece that I'm sitting on right now is the butterfly bench in the Casey River Arts District here at the entrance of the Casey River Walk, which leads to the Congaree River. And so the whole concept behind this was we wanted to celebrate the nature or the natural setting around here, and we wanted it to be very whimsical and fun. So it needed to be beautiful, and all of the designs and everything are just kind of meant to reflect the organic nature of the flight of a butterfly or the falling of leaves or the flow of water that are all part of this specific community. And it's turned out really, really great. So one of the unique things about creating public art with steel is just that, it's public. So it needs to be safe for everything from toddlers all the way up to senior citizens, everybody in between. And so you have to think about the way you design it, everything from the size of the holes that are within it or the edges and how soft they are, or how much something bends or sticks out, because you don't want somebody to be able to get hurt on it, while at the same time it needs to be beautiful, it needs to be functional, it needs to be safe. So one of my favorite pieces here in the KC River Arts District is the light diamond. It's over 7 foot tall and completely stainless steel. It turned out fantastic. Since it's stainless steel, the sun shines brightly and reflects the surface of it during the day. At nighttime, as it gets dark, a light sensor turns on the lights on the inside of it, and it actually reflects the metal from the inside out through the holes in the designs within it. So it's a very different experience during the day versus at nighttime, which is kind of the concept of it, between the suns and the moons all the way around it.
I kind of enjoy all my pieces I've done, my art that I've made. They use it, they come to me and say they like it. I usually ask how they're interacting with it, because that's important to me. I put a whole lot of thought and effort into what I do. It's important to me that whoever looks at it, whoever comes to see it, comes back and looks at it again. That is the ultimate compliment.